We pack up the pickup for the rooster crows. Coolers and blankets, the whole family goes down that long driveway past the old wooden sign, leaving the world and its worries behind. The lake sparkles yonder through the cedar and oak. Kids press their noses, their faces alight. This ain't no vacation with schedules and plans. It's where we remember who we are, hand in hand. It's the Lake Godstone experience. Come and see for yourself, where the family connects with the land and its wealth of memories made fishing, swimming and hiking the trails, with laughter echoes and love that prevails. It ain't just a dot on some traveling map. It's the peace in your soul and the dirt on your cap. Not a place that you visit and then drive away. It's an experience that changes you day after day. Grandpa's on the porch with his old six-string, singing about cowboys and the joy that it brings. Grandkids are running with sticks for pretend, chasing butterflies round where the wildflowers bend. Even in campfire crackles, stories get told about the old days and dreams yet to unfold. The stars up above put on quite a show. At Lake Godstone, that's how the good Lord says hello. It's the Lake Godstone experience. Come and see for yourself, where the family connects with the land and its wealth of memories made fishing, swimming and hiking the trails, with laughter that echoes and love that prevails. You can chase the bright lights or the corporate climb, but there's something about here that stands the test of time. It slows down your heart and it opens your eyes to the simple things money just can't buy. Like a hug from your mama when the day's work is done, or watching your babies grow up in the sun. Unplugged from the chaos, recharged by the breeze. Lake Godstone's the cure for whatever you need. It's the Lake Godstone experience. Come expanding each other in the great outdoors. Not a destination, but a feeling so deep, where the wild and the loved ones forever will keep calling us back when the world's got us stressed, to the lake and the land where our hearts beat the best. Yeah, the Lake Godstone experience. It's more than a place, it's a feeling. Not just a destination,